Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. In today's lesson, we are going over how to collect user input with Java. The first thing we do is type import followed by scan with a capital S. After that, press Ctrl space to open up the shortcut menu. Double click on the scanner option from the drop down to have the rest of the code auto-populate. After we have that set up, the next step is renaming the scanner to a usable term. We'll call the scanner input in this case. Once that is finished, we have to declare a string to store the data. We'll use name to store the user's input. Now, the last step to make this all work is to have the string we created equal to the scanner input so we can print it on the screen. Please note the first letter and next is lowercase and the L in line is capital. The rest of the video is to make the program look somewhat nice. Thank you for watching.